Hey guys, first and foremost, let me clarify that this is not a sponsored post. Cooler Master has always been a brand that I grew up with and a brand that I would love to work with in the future. So let's treat this as my sales pitch for collaboration with them. So Cooler Master has been founded in Taiwan in 1992. So in 2022, it makes them 30 years old. Happy 30 years old, Cooler Master. So even as a teenager, I've been building my gaming rigs with Cooler Master's casing, and my computer have never overheated. So I really trust this brand, especially for their casing, for their fan. And now they're even producing gaming mouse. The Cooler Master MM731 Gaming Mouse actually retailed at 239 ringgit. But yesterday I saw on one of my friends' Facebook that Cooler Master is having this promotion called the UPTrade, where you can trade in your old mouse as long as it's working condition and get this mouse for 139 ringgit, which I think is very worth it. So I went to buy it. So some of the key features of this gaming mouse is its RGB lighting, and then it is weighted at 59 grams, and its sensor has 19,000 dpi. That is very high. Our gaming will sure be very smooth. And of course, based on their test, it can go up to 70 million clicks. NANI? Even with Raymark's speed of clicking. I'm not gonna get to 70 million clicks. There are actually a few other features that I really like about this mouse when I read about it. But before that, let's do a little unboxing. One thing that I really love about this mouse, it is connectivity option. You can connect it directly via the cable, the USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and you can also switch it to Bluetooth. Okay, so this is basically Bluetooth, and it will pair with Bluetooth, which also give you more battery life. And lastly, you can connect to its 2.4 GHz wireless connection. So there are some people who actually prefer the wired connection. Some people would like to use Bluetooth if they do not have enough like USB ports. Some people would like to have the 2.4 GHz connection. So the cable that came with the gaming mouse is not an ordinary cable. This is something called the ultra weave cable that make it less susceptible to tangling. So the cable won't tangle so easily. So inside of this compartment over here is actually the dongle for the 2.4 GHz connection. And this is an extension adapter in case you want to extend the length of your wired mouse. And these are mouse grip tapes in case you want to stick them to your mouse for extra grip. So this is how the mouse looked like after I installed this special ultra grip tape. So this will ensure a much better grip for my fingers to the mouse. And this material down here for the mouse feet is actually a PTFE material. PTFE are basically synthetic fluoropolymer, a type of synthetic fluoropolymer, which ensures a very smooth glide when we are gliding our mouse. So that's it guys. The Cooler Master MM731 is going to be my new mouse for my computer that is connected to my television. Because right now, the wireless mouse that I'm using sometimes lag when I'm actually moving around. So this mouse will definitely be a lot smoother. Alright guys, I hope you like my short and simple video about this gaming mouse. And Cooler Master, if you ever stumble upon this video, I would like to let you know that I've been a customer for like forever. So I really hope that if there's an opportunity for collaboration, please do not hesitate to contact me. Otherwise, I'm still very grateful for this UPTrade promotion, which allowed me to get this pretty awesome mouse for a very cheap price. Thank you very much, and please subscribe.